Hi, today I'm in front of Infinix Zero Ultra and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first, let's open the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. Just to log out from the Gmail account in Gmail app, we should log out from Google account on our device. And to do that, we should click to manage accounts on this device, tap to this Google account and click here remove account. After that, click to remove account again to confirm your action, tap to OK, and if you use some unlock or lock methods on your device, just enter it. Now in Google account settings we can see that we have no any logged in accounts, and so now let's go back to the application and we can see that in app we also log out from Gmail account successfully. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.